Hi everyone, my HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w jammed the paper and I will show you how to fix it. Let's go. So what you need to do, you need to open the scanning unit until it gets fixed, until it locks in the place, like this, but don't push it, don't force it. Now take the cartridge handle and pull it towards yourself and remove the cartridge. Put the cartridge aside. Now you see the jammed paper over there. Now, if you can't remove the paper from the top roller with your hand, you can try to use a tool to help, such as a pen, but don't use sharp tools as knives or pins. You need something without corners, like pen. So remove the paper from the top roller. If small pieces left somewhere there, try to remove them with tweezers. And now gently pull the paper towards you. Gently, softly, slowly, to completely remove from the printer. Next, grab the cartridge handle and turn it so that the text and images face you, and insert cartridge into the printer and make sure that these tabs match the slots in the printer. So then gently glide it, slightly push and close the scanning unit like this. I think it was successful. To make sure that everything is fine, look at your printer's display. If you see normal display 01 and small paper icons, everything is alright. If you see error 05 on your display, try to restart your printer, so just power it off and power on back again. And also try to take another look inside of the printer and make sure you removed all small pieces of paper. To avoid paper jams, don't load crumpled or damp sheets into the printer and avoid overloading of the paper tray. And that's pretty it for today. I hope this was helpful. If yes, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye guys.